NKU women's basketball returned to the home court at the Bank of Kentucky Center on Wednesday, defeating Cross River rival Cincinnati 66-52. In the first half, the Norse and Bearcats traded buckets, with each keeping pace offensively until NKU took the lead with under 9 minutes left to go, following 6 straight points by Rihanna Gayhart to pull ahead for good 24-20. The Norse took a 32-26 lead into the break and would come out firing in the second half with an early 9-0 run to cushion their lead. The Norse finished the game with 3 players in double digits, with Gayhart leading the way with 12 points, followed by Kaylin Garrity and Christine Rouse with 11 each.
First of all, I think that's a very good win for our program. Really excited for our players. I think Cincinnati is a very good team, and we're very fortunate to get them to come into the BOK to play, and feel very excited about the fact that we were able to pull out a win.
We've had, on our non-conference schedule, we've played a lot of big schools, and we've come out and competed with them, if not won against them. And it's just been really exciting. It's really pumped up our spirits and letting us get into the conference schedule. So we're really excited to get into that.
The Norse return to action on Friday, taking a quick trip across the Ohio to face Delaware at Cincinnati's Fifth Third Arena, with tip-off set for 7 p.m. Links to live stats can be found at NKUNorse.com, and as always, you can get live in-game updates by following NKU Norse Game Day on Twitter. For NKU Athletics, I'm Brad Pope.